Welcome to Mind the Intent. I'm Marcin.
And I am Saklan.
This isn't just another tech channel. This is where we're going to be demystifying all the AI tools, the software. We're going to be doing some reactions about people who create AI, automated apps, and how they benefit society.
Between us, we have built several AI startups, created games,
Welcome to Monster Truck Hilltop Rally.
and we run a consulting firm helping law firms, real estate agents, and small businesses automate the boring stuff so they can focus on the big stuff.
We're also kind of obsessed with the next generation. Between myself and Saklan, we both have little kids. So we decided to launch something called AI Academies and how people can transition some of the skill sets that they've learned in the regular universities and colleges and apply AI tools within their fundamentals.
We will show you how to use this software to increase your productivity and brain capacity.
Now, Saklan handles all the technical architecture, making sure the gears are actually turning, and I focus more on the conceptual and the creative side and how these tools are actually going to solve human problems.
We are going to show you how to stop treating AI as just a search bar and start treating it like a high-level execution partner.
So here's the secret. The future isn't about how much information you can retain. It's about knowing what you want and having the intent to make it happen. Whether you're a developer or just somebody curious about what's next, this is your space to learn, evolve, and stay ahead.